Good afternoon. Myself Pinky Chawla, advocate practicing District Court Delhi as well as in Supreme Court of India. Generally, lovebirds who are in love, mostly youngsters who are not prefer for arranged marriage, they go for love marriage. And fortunately, in my share, I got lot of people, persons, youngster who came in my life, and I have done their not arranged marriage, their love marriage, and number of time love marriage was made by them. So one of the example I give you that I had arranged one love marriage uh, between young couples, and I have gone to the RS Maj Mandir and their marriage were registered. And the next day morning, I get a call from the female that my husband is not ready to keep me, and we had a love marriage. I have a marriage register certificate also. Now he is denying because his parents forcibly try to involve in other relationship, and they are showing other girls to him, and they want that he should marry to other girl. Then I call him and tell him to come to my office. He came to my office. Then I tell him that you are not interested in her, and you said you have a love relationship with her for last 2 years, couple of years, and now you want to get married, and I should arrange their love marriage through Arya Maj Mandir. And I asked you number of question also, where you said both are you want to marry without any burden, and force him their parents are not ready, they don't bother. And I've arranged your marriage. Now what is your problem? Why you don't keep your words back? Because you have given an affidavit in the concern area that you will not deny with your statement that you have married her properly, and even the 7 steps fere has also been organized in the RS Maj Mandir. Why you are denying it? It cannot be cancelled now. Then he told me that his parents are not ready, and I told him, if parents are not ready, where your love has gone? Because you were in love relationship for last 2 years. Now you are denying because your parents are possibly want you to see other girls and want you to marry other girl. Then he told me, he said, I just want to talk to you personally. Then I sent the girl another room, and then I talked to him and tell him to tell me the exact reason. Then he said that my parents are saying that if I don't marry to another girl, then they will be deprive me of from the property rights, and I am not earning so much that I can look after my wife, and after that I will not have any property right also. The number of year I have to waste I have to do very hard work to settle my family. Then I was very shocked to see that, and I shocked to hear the message from the boy's side. Then I make him convince. Once you have loved, in love is not a only love. Love is not a physical need or a love at first sight, only attraction, outside attraction. Love is a compromise and between both the person, and once you married, this is a compromise. Life is a compromise. Once you married to each other, you have made so many promises. 7 step is 7 promises that you look after your wife properly, and in any kind of situation you will not leave her hand. So no, yeah, now you cannot deny. If you deny, then I'll go to the concerned court where the number of cases will be filed against you, and you will be in a problem, and even your parents will be in a problem. Then he asked for the 5-10 days time. I said he will get back to me after talking to his parents. And then after 10 days he came back. Then he says his parents is not ready, and they said they will deprive me from the property right, and now I made up mind, you clear my eyes, and I don't want to lose my recent family, and I don't want to lose my recent love, because I realize the mistake. I'll do hard work and live with her till I alive. So he denied his parents and refused to talk to them, and both girl and boy stayed on the rented house happily. And after a long 5-7 years, they met me in a car where they says they both are working together, and they both are happy. Now they have purchased a car also. Slowly and gradually they will make their own property also. So I just want to say one thing. Once you have decided that you will go for love marriage, you should be firm about your relationship. Number two, that you should be firm about your decision. Once you married, whether it's a girl or boy, both are hurted. And once you decided that you will not lose anybody, you will not leave anybody because of their parents' pressure or social pressure. Because once you have decided means decided, and this relationship cannot be end once you married. So before marrying in a love relationship, you must decide whether you really want to marry, or really you are impressed with her physical appearance, or first it's a love at first sight. Only then you decide and go for marriage. Thank you so much. If you are find this information very informative, you can talk to me further if you have any queries in detail. My number is 9818 277 131. Thank you so much.